Today I'm going to share with you guys actually how are we going to do a print and cut on a cardstock. I'm going to use an 8.5/11. First of all, is the design actually I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. So first of all, I'm going to open up the file. It's in SVG. So this is part of it. So there are actually two parts of it, right? So let's say, for example, this is the one, and I'm going to put another print and cut down here. So because this is a SVG, is a vector. Okay, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to open up a PNG file. Example, this one down here. Okay, so this is a print and cut. Okay. So I go into the next, and okay, so thereafter I will go into the next again. Okay, so this is the print and cut. Okay, I'm going to put this aside down here because I'm going to put it down here. Okay, so because this is size of 8.5/11 down here, the US size 8.5/11, I'm going to shrink down the size of this Gable box. Okay, so bear in mind this is going to be a cut file, and the lines down here will be the scoring. So I'm going to use this crease tool. First of all, I'm going to remove the word down here first. Thereafter, I will this as a cut file, and this is a crease. Okay, so okay, done with this. So I'm going to ungroup this file. Okay, and on the right hand bottom corner down here, these are the layers. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be able to see I turn off the eye, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to delete, and then I'm going to turn it on back. Okay, group the path. Okay, so and I'm going to go back down here to turn off the eye. Okay, and I'm going to select this layer down here. Okay, so after I select this layer down here, then I'm going to go into down here, and this is going to be the fold or score. Okay, so I selected this. Okay, so this layer is going to be a score line. And I'll turn back the eye. Okay, so after I turn back the eye down here, back the eye down here, I'm going to select this is going to be a cut. Okay, so this whole thing is going to be cut. The blue lines are going to cut. The yellow line down here, yellow green, okay, it's going to be score. Okay, so we are done with this. So we are happy with this. So I'm going to come back to this down here. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, and what I'm going to do is, if I move my cursor around print and cut down here, there is a green layer down here, so this is going to be a cut. So I'm going to remove the cut outline because this is basically, I'm not going to make a hold onto my Gable box down here. So I'm going to go into my left click, select the whole thing, off. So there you go. So let's say, for example, you can be able to notice there. So basically, I'm going to turn this off, turn off the layer down here. Then I'm done with this. Okay, and select the whole thing, and I'm going to group it back. Present my design. So I'm going to send There you go. You'll notice this is a print artwork onto your 8.5 11. It will actually print this artwork out, and this is the lines and the score tool down here. Okay, so I'm gonna send to first of all, I'm gonna print this out. I'm gonna send to a printer. Okay, so this is gonna print out. Thereafter, we actually put onto the cutting mat. The sensor, the camera will actually take the cropping mark on all the four corners. There are right after, it takes about 10 seconds. After when it's scanned, you will actually cut it out, and this is the final product of it. At the end, we just have to glue it up, and we are all set and done.